How to regain access to locked applications. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to unlock apps on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down. Now navigate to Privacy option. Select Privacy and under Privacy Protection locate App Lock. Tap to open it and then make sure that you enter privacy password. Make sure that you turn on the button for App Lock and then here you will see all the list of application. Next to the all application, here you can see the locked at top right and here you see the list of locked app. To regain access to locked application, simply you need to turn off the applications button and with that you will successfully unlock apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.